Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Zayir Logic. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox the all-new FASTRACK REFLEX Play with Bluetooth calling technology. So, let's get started. Please watch till end. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. FASTRACK REFLEX Play Plus is a Bluetooth calling smartwatch from the brand FASTRACK. The major specs and features of the watch are a 1.3 inches Amoled touchscreen, built-in games, health trackers like a 24/7 heart rate monitor and a SpO2 tracker, smart features like a music controller, reminders, and notification alerts, etc. Box content. In this box you will get 2 silicone straps, a watch, warranty slip, quick start guide and a charging cable. Silicone straps provided in the box is durable and good. Charging cable is of good quality. Here you will get a quick start guide.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This watch contains friendly user interface to find all the apps. Here we have the notification center and taskbar to manage settings. you have seen my video to this far, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.